Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'll show you how to fix slow charging on your INFINIX Note 30 VIP. First, make sure you're using an original or certified charger. This charger allows me to supercharge the phone even though it's not original. Let me plug it in. Now we should see the charging information. Let's try it again because we should see it pop up on our screen just like that. Even though it says charging here, it is supercharging the phone. Now make sure you restart the phone. It's very important because it might be a system issue, and a simple restart should help. Press and hold the power button only. Tap restart and tap again to restart the phone. While it's restarting, clean your charging port because if it's stuck with dirt, that may be why it's not working properly. We're going to get the phone and simply swipe it all over our charging port. If we see anything, we can get it out. We want to make sure our charging port is clean. Once we confirm it's clean, let go of the soft brush and place the phone back. Avoid using the phone while charging because it can slow down the charging. Now let's plug the phone in and it will fast charge. That's how it works. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.